How to fix TikTok following others too frequently problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can fix the following others too frequently problem on TikTok. First of all, you need to open your TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account and the TikTok application is also up to date. Now, once you are in the home page, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three lines in the top right and go to Settings and Privacy. Once you're here, scroll down until you find Report a Problem in the bottom and then tap on it. Now on the Report a Problem page, tap on Interaction. Then tap on Follow. Choose the second option, that is following too fast. And you will see a message that says you're following accounts too quickly. Try again later. Please try again in 24 hours. And if this does not solve your problem, tap on No. And then tap on Need More Help. This will take you to the TikTok help desk where you can chat with them and explain your problem. They should be able to solve it quickly. And that's it. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.